chronic under risker, bro. Originally, I was bearish on the day because of the 4-hour time frame. We were showing signs of respecting this gap on both indexes, and we had a bearish order block, and we're like, kind of, we had a daily inverse to the upside, but we had such a big move and so swiftly that it kind of has to be rebalanced, sorry. But I just couldn't ignore these stacked previous session highs right here. So there was a 2-minute, but it was pre-market, and there was a 3-minute, but it was just like getting into the market right here. So I was like, all right, I'll just take the 5-minute. And TP will be hit, but super under risked. Well, I say TP will be hit, but it's not guaranteed, I guess. I'd say it's pretty high resistance, bro, because you have to break all of these highs, right? But we are right there. 6-7. Alright, dude, I'm such a child. Holy shit. I just have my stop at like a 3-minute breakaway, I believe. I moved it up a bit. It was like right here. I moved it down a bit, sorry, to the wick. Low key, just do not want to see a rejection there. That's buns. Oh. Wait, why does it have it like that? Wait, that's actually shit RR, isn't it? A 1-to-1. I'm gonna get stopped down now. That's crazy. I respected the first presented, which is good, but we inversed this one, which is bad. I hate this week. This is like rejection block territory. Probably gonna get stopped out. Respecting the 4-hour again. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna get stopped down about 2 seconds here. Sucks. You think we'd want to take out these highs before going lower though. Just wick them out. You don't have to like close above them, but how many was I away from TP? Let's see. 4. That's great. That's fantastic. All right. Actual like that's disrespectful, man. That's disrespectful right there. I'm gonna take a 1-minute inverse the downside, bro. But then if we just have continuation higher, then I'll be fucking mad. I'm gonna just go like 2 contracts, but not partial, and target these first low. Well, we're trading above VWAP now on the 5-minute. No closure above on the 5-minute yet, so could come back down. Actually, pretty mad, bro, because there's no reason other than manipulation to come back down, bro. Absolutely no reason to disrespect the first presented fair value gap and come back down without reaching these highs, right? It's ridiculous. Like, it's actually ridiculous. Like, obviously these highs are going to get taken, right? Absolutely ridiculous, bro. Let's close above VWAP. close my view up. Probably done for the day. Pretty fucking mad, to be honest. As you can see, we had a weakened version of this daily gap here. When I say like weakened version, like it didn't really close super high. It was kind of like it was soft launch that fucking shit. But yeah, high time frame. I mean, we're still on a downtrend technically. Holy shit, bro! Can I? Still on a downtrend. Oh, Tory trades 3 taps and we're in. All right, so let me go short here. Let me go fucking short here and then just hold until previous highs. Imagine that actually hits. I will clip this and save it in my folder if that hits, and then I'll like say I'm a guru, bro. I'll send it to Tori with a fucking invite to dinner. What was I even doing, bro? Oh yeah. Isn't Tori like 30? Low key. Nah, that's fine. Let's chill. Holy shit, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Like I said, unfilled 5 into EQ at a range, got swept out. Low resistance liquidity right here. Honestly, wouldn't be surprised if we came up to this internal high and just continue to go higher. But it'd be preferable if we went lower now because it would prove me right. What's more probable? I think it's more probable that actually we have 10 a.m. news. Oops. Fucking bombucklats. Yeah, 10 a.m. news. And we are trading within this 1 hour. Damn, bro. I was like pre-market, like marking out my stuff, right? I looked at this 1 hour. I was like, no, we're not going to come up here. We're not going to come all the way up into here. And here we are. Q1. Why did I just type that? Why? So yeah, I have 2 minutes until the hourly close, and it looks like he's gonna respect. I hope it respects. I hope it goes lower. If it respects and goes lower, I will take this 1 minute for 2 contracts. Back down. I'm with it right now. Yeah. Should have taken my entry right here. Damn, no, because my stop would have 100% been right here. Now we got freaking cracked anyways. Are we just putting our stops at the swing lows now? Is that what's gonna happen now? Bro, and then end up coming up to here, bro. Which is like the ultimate target for longs, pretty much. But like, I wouldn't have taken that all the way up there. Up to here. It's like 1-to-1. Bro, I look, you should just not taking that. That was buns. My bad. Dude, that's so chopped. Why'd I get stopped out? I don't understand. What is the point of having a pre-market manipulation and then having your inversion and then going to your target, but then just like saying like, oh, nah, and then disrespecting all of the bearish indicators that you just made and going higher? Like, doesn't make any fucking sense, bro. It genuinely makes no fucking sense, bro. All right. Am I gambling right now? Am I gambling right now? Fuck, I'm gambling. Don't gamble. Don't gamble. Alright, if you're gonna go no size at all, then you're just coping with bad entry. But this is not bad entry. Swept out the EQ. And you're respecting it and you're gonna go lower. Like, we already know it's gonna go lower, right? I mean, if you wanted an entry, there's a 1 minute inverse right here. Is there a 2 minute? Oh, it's just 2 minute. And a 5 minute, 3 minute. Man, this 3 minute looks kind of good, bro. And there's low-key a break of structure on the 1 minute. Oh, don't do that. It's making a bearish order block right now. Look, it's gonna come up, and then it's gonna go back down and make a block. Watch it. Sell now. Sell now. Sell right here. Sell right here. Let me know. Alright. Here's what happened today. Yes, I am mad that I didn't take these shorts, even though they were right there. And liquidity sweep, inversion, and distribution. Really should have taken it, bro. I really should have freaking taken it, man. But it is what it is. All the way down to an unfilled 5. All the way down there. 1 to 5. RR. And then we ended up going all the way down. Actually inversed the first presented, which is interesting, but respected the original inversion that my original long is on. Alright. Fucking ended up running straight to TP after a needless manipulation. And then I was like, okay, I see that we respected that, and we have the structure still. Very like super choppy, very clean. What is it? 6 minutes, 7 minutes? Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 7 minutes. Holy shit, can I count? Yeah, 7. Oh my god. Very clean inversion order block. And I was like, this is a really good long. We're retargeting this low resistance engineered liquidity. And what do we see? On both NQ and ES, bro. Super freaking clean, bro. Look, it did the exact same thing on NQ. Right here. It's like, bruh. This is actually very clean. Like, I'm not gonna lie, super clean. This is chopped. This is clean. But one trade a day. That's the rules. I don't make the rules here. I do make the rules, actually. I could just not follow them. I'm gonna follow them. I swear. So yeah, that is Monday. Negative 106. Bruh. Not feeling too good. Alright. It's not as bad as it looks. Alright. First one, we got break even. Second one was lost like $17. This one, I took a short. There's like a 2-minute inversion and an order block. Targeted the constant encouragement is 1 hour because that was like around the time of the macro close. Perfectly got TP. Now there's an inverse here and a suspension block on break even because we retook these highs, targeting previous day high on ES. On NQ, I'm targeting an intermediate high from a leg of last week. It already took this lower one and now it's blasting through. Respected the 1 hour on both indices at the 10 a.m. close macro. If I had multiple contracts in, I would definitely have a take profit here, but that's fine. We're up pretty good, so we'll see. Not that good actually. Pretty bums actually. Fuck. Low key, not gonna make it. I'm gonna close. What the fuck, man? Why have we just hit the drawn liquidity? Fucking 10 minutes before market open, bruh. I don't understand. What's the point? Like, can we just, like, have some good PA, bro? Chop PA yesterday, no trade. I mean, there's a long to be had after this manipulation, but if you got stopped out here, you and a half, and this is chopped as well. Like, there's no inversion until all the way up here. Super chopped, bro. And the lunch was alright, but I wasn't trading then. But like, what the fuck is this, bro? Respected this bearish order block to come up and manipulate into this 1 hour. So I think that was manipulation, actually. There's a couple 5-minute gaps here. I'd honestly like a manipulation higher into the consequent encouragement of that daily wick, and then we go lower. That'd be cool. It'd be some nice PA and inverse 5-minute or something like that. If we have a clean manipulation up here, that's wicked, and now like slow as fuck, get some motion. Just gonna get flushed through. Okay, there's London low. Okay, and we're just gonna continue fucking shooting the bed. That's awesome. I mean, there's all these draws, but this is like high resistance liquidity, you know? It's not exactly fucking free, is it? Well, after a liquidity sweep of London low, I really wanted to see a better reaction and not just dump to. I mean, look at this accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So interesting. Just completely had no regard for those data highs and lows from 8:30 news. And that's going to be a no trade day again, because no, wait, it didn't actually inverse. I'm actually gonna do a really tight stop loss because that did not actually get inverse. That's bad. That's not good. Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. All right, let's try again. I'm a de-risk though by 1 con for that mishap. But definitely blows. Fuck, dude, that's actually so annoying. Yeah, that's probably continuation lower. All right, that's it for today. Down bad, bro. How close am I to this trade? All right, I'm not gonna lie. Let me turn this off. All right, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I said I was done for the AM, right? But I was like, I was about to hop in the shower, and I'm like, all right, this is the real manipulation, right? Accumulation, manipulation, inversion, entry, targeting. First presented, not even the consequent incursion, right? And what happened? We hit this 5 minute, and probably some rejection block bullshit in this wick. And yeah, got stopped out, which is tough. Wasn't even break even either because I was in the shower. But it was like a small loss because this like inversion is so small. Like, I think we ran up to the same high on NQ as well after the same inversion. But that's kind of tough. Alright. Brutal start to the day. Low key. 2 minutes late to market open somehow. Draws lower that I could see. We had accumulation, manipulation, now we're distributing higher. So we're probably just gonna chop, to be honest. But we just hit London high on both assets. And the return to the consequent encroachment of that daily wick, which was my target for longs yesterday. Interestingly enough, there was a perfect setup in the PM that I just forward tested back to the consequent encroachment of this 5-minute IFG, which was respected thrice, and that hit pretty good, as you can see it over here. 1 to 2.4, but my original target was this, and yeah, I guess that would have hit as well, but we've been holding for ages, and not any really big retracements though, which is good. That's besides the point. Honestly, this is really bad that I woke up this late. Lots of news today. So maybe this is just the news getting priced in. Absolutely abysmal week of trading. No trades really taken, and the ones I did I lost. This is chopped. This is very chopped. So tired. Oh, I'm tired. I don't want to trade. Get out. But this swift move down was correct by the swift move up. So are we going to have another swift move down? It just is the level of volatility doesn't make sense, especially since the news hasn't dropped yet. Drops already gonna hit that. Oh, nice. I think it's not you. Holy blue collar, bro. Oh shit, what the fuck? Dude, NQ fucking moves, bro. Right, that's not risk though. NQ is fucking scary. I don't like it. Okay, I'm just like completely reset everything. That's awesome too. I don't want this 1 minute to get respected. So I might have to enter off of this 2 minute. But it's essentially in the same spot. It looks like we're meeting some resistance here as well. Could this be a fake out? I'll see. break even there. I did take one off, but break even there. We should be able to just break through these highs because we already did on ES. Hopefully we don't get a pullback. There's no gap here, right? So we should be good. And that 2 minutes getting made. There's no 1 minute gap, so we should be good to just go higher. If ES gets to its draw first, I'll just manually close. Nice. All right, full TP hit. A great day, great risk management, I'd say. The reason why I took one out is just I didn't like this rejection here, but then I look over and we're going back up, so that's fine. But yeah, that's the high on NQ for that leg. As you can see, if I zoom out here, holy shit, I hate zooming out, bro. Oh my gosh, am I brain dead? Our brains are shrinking. Oh my god. There are draws here. That's crazy. There's like equal highs here. I swear if we go to these, I'll low-key be mad. Because I would have just taken one out there, gotten really aggressive with the stop loss, but had like another exit here. But that's fine.
Here's liquidity before I hop in any shorts. But if we retrace, I don't even know, like into OTE range of this leg we have.
Yeah, I think you should try out this 1 to 47.
You're a fuck nigga, fuck you nigga, fuck you nigga, fuck you nigga.
3 minute inverse, but it's like you take the order block entry and then you have the stop at the wick. Oh no, it's a 1 to 28. W.
You're a fuck you nigga.
Alright.
I would want to take a short right now, but 5 minute looks like a bunch of like barcodes.
Be chopped. Yeah, you could wait for this 5 minute inverse, but there's a 5 minute retting below it, so.
No, this 5 minute inverse, no, definitely no. But like this 3 minute inverse would have been fine, I think. In my opinion. If we get a retest of this order block, I guess I'll enter. Oh shit.
Made a 1 minute order block.
No, it's just too choppy. I'm not gonna take any shorts right now. Too choppy.
This bangs. This bangs right here.
To flush basically down. But I think that'll either happen.
It's happening right now.
Right now, enter shorts, enter shorts, enter shorts. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Enter shorts.
Bro. Yeah. Alright, bro. Actually, so unfortunate because, you know, one trade a day, that's the rule. But this was so clean. Liquidity sweep, break of structure. We have this lower high and lower low. 30 minute IFUG. Take that down. I mean, I was targeting this order block and EQ of the range, but back to first presented, IFUG is good as well. That's a bit unrealistic, to be honest. I would have TP'd here. And that would have been nice. But I'm actually only break even on the week. I didn't realize I lost so much yesterday from overtrading. 1, 2, 3 overtrades. So I'm like kind of mad at that actually. And last week was all right. This is all the trade so far. This was completely under risked, really bad, and this was over trading. But other than that, all the days have been all right, pretty good. This is like break even day. This was I risked a good amount because when you think about it, if my trailing drawdown's at 49,000, my balance is 51. Like I really only have. I could risk a bit more. I could risk like 200 a trade. I think I risked like 120 on this trade. Probably could have done one more micro, and just had foreseen that the other high would have been good, but damn, that freaking sucks, bro. I would have taken that. Forward testing it, but not taking it. Oh well. All right, I just want to give a little concluding statement here. Overall, I think that week was pretty bad price action. You know, Monday and Friday were really good. Was able to capitalize there. Unfortunately, over traded quite a bit and under traded when price action was good. So I think I'll adjust my rules slightly so that when price action is good, when there's a clear setup that presents itself, and I'll be mad if I don't take it. Like maybe I'll just take it at half size. Um, but definitely I'm going to try and keep my trade frequency lower in the upcoming weeks. December PA has been quite chopped. It's not a myth, so that kind of blows. Last week, I under risk quite a bit, and so my P&L was only $130, but I'll still make that video. Had a lot of work though, so I could not get that out on time. But I think I can pass here. I just gotta play the cards correctly, not overtrade, not undertrade, have confidence in myself, my abilities, and I think I'll be just fine. Definitely my biggest issue so far, though, has been not trusting the setup. But other than that, I think I'm good on the technicals. So thank you for watching and drop a sub, please.
For 6 months, I couldn't sleep.